Hey guys, episode 7 of my ISA portfolio series. Big pullback this week, 5,000 down from last week. Big pullback in gold and silver, sort of the main contributor to that. Kind of mentioned that last week, thought that would be the case. Can't go up in a straight line forever, basically. But yeah, if this is it, then it carries on from here, then that'll be pretty good. So yeah, I'll just show you the portfolio. Nothing new invested this week. May add a little bit more next week. So most of the shares actually just flat generally sort of for the week. Barrick Gold and the other sort of gold and silver miners are down. Barrick Gold hasn't sort of performed too badly because they're one of the bigger ones. And just actually found out Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has put quite a large amount of money into Barrick Gold. So people sort of see that as bearish for the market, then presumably gold price will continue rallying on. A lot of people will follow Warren Buffett. Only share that did seem to have a reasonable move was Evraz over the last week, so that was pretty good. Bought this at £3, so only a small position, but that's quite good. First Majestic, yeah, took a hit, sort of the same as the others. But yeah, sort of bought into this at $6.75, so still pretty happy. It should continue to move forward. Most of the others are sort of fairly flat for the week. Just hit ex-dividend date for some of the dividend payers, so I'll have a payment next month. One or two more ex-dividend dates next week on the 20th. So should start to see some dividend income over the next month. S&P gold producers down this week. Same as the others, really. That is pretty much the portfolio. As I say, most of the general shares sort of either flat or slightly down. Waiting for more of the sort of return to positive in gold and silver, and then I'll start averaging down some more. So that's the Trading 212 portfolio. Just a quick update this week, and just a quick look at Hargreaves Lansdown. So that's a few thousand down from last week. This is where the majority of the fall has come, but obviously still heavily up from the beginning. So I put 40,000 into this portfolio about a year and a half ago. So obviously very nice move. So 93,000. We'll go from here. Leave your comments in thoughts below, and like and subscribe if you want to see more, and see you soon.